watercress with chef. Let's go see what I'm using inside. Chef, garlic, red curry paste, watercress, oyster, fish sauce, soy sauce. Let's go do. We have the cream, watercress. When we order cream, we have to do like use hand. You have crack, okay? Crispy. Time to go cut. Chop my garlic. Time to ready. All with everything is done and time to go cook. Let's go see. First time I put oil in pan, we have to cook. Chef first time. We have to cook chef for a little while and we take out and add oil more. Okay, time to take out. I add oil little bit and we put garlic. Red curry paste a little bit. Inside, red curry paste. We got smell. We put watercress. Time to put watercress and with I add water a little bit. Oyster. Salt con lốc soy sauce. Chicken powder. And put chef in top. I have to taste what's inside. Turn it on to my face. Wow. Perfect. Everything perfect. Good. Everything perfect. Done. Time to take out. Time to go, ready to eat. Let's go. Let's go, what's to take? Shape too big. In my mouth, I have the carb. Let's take. Wow. So tasty. Everything garlic, cherry curry paste, everything sauce go together. Wow, my food watercress. Today I fried. It's very delicious, perfect everything. If you like my video, don't forget like, subscribe. Please support me on Patreon. See you the next time. Bye bye.